Hey parents, just a minute ago, I have emailed you guys a link to Miss Cleveland's digital baby shower. Looks like this. You will click on the link, and this is our digital baby shower card for Mrs. Cleveland. I'm going to go ahead and tell you it is best if you use a computer or a Chromebook to do this activity. If you do not have a computer or Chromebook and you are using an iPad or a computer, iPad or a phone, make sure to download the Google Slide app. It's completely free, and so that way you can edit, because if not, you won't be able to edit this. And if none of that works, please let me know. I'm happy to help you do all of this. So I just quickly wanted to show you what you're going to do. I have created this card. It has 26 slides. I have 6 different slides that are just kind of repeated. So you're going to choose the next available slide. So if you see if someone's working on one of them, go to the next one. Multiple people can be working at the same time, that's fine. So here it says my predictions. I want your child to tell you, guess, what do you think the baby's weight is going to be, the height, the birth date. And if you've never done Google Slides, super easy. I can just type in here, weight, maybe I choose 8 pounds. Height, who knows what the kids will choose. Weight, birth date, same thing. They're going to guess which day the baby they think is going to be born on. So they'll type that in here for my predictions, or you can do it for them, which is what I plan to do. My advice, this is where I'm going to need your most help. I would like for you to take a picture of your child holding up a sign that gives advice to Mrs. Cleveland, maybe baby advice. We know this is something she's second-time mom. However, it's always fun to see what 5- and 6-year-olds guess. So my advice, so previous to this recording, I have taken a picture of Charlie. I had her write on a sign something that she thinks Miss Cleveland should do with the baby. I have saved it onto my computer. So I can go right here to insert image. I can upload it from my computer. If I've saved it to like a digital website, I can do there. I can save it to my drive. If you have Google Photos, I can even use my webcam and do it. That's whatever you would like to do. So I'm going to click upload from computer. I'm going to choose where I saved it. Here's where I saved it. And there's Charlie. So I'm going to adjust the picture a little bit to fit how I want it to look. And then I can go back through when you guys are all done and I can add little arrows here, little decoratives, or if you know how to do that, you are welcome to do that. It looks kind of small here. However, because you can't see her sign, when I go to the present mode, which is right here, I can see it a little bit better. It says, feed the baby carrots and milk, love Charlie. And then, so you will see, it'll be very cute. I do recommend writing, Charlie chose to write like in a teal because it's Miss Cleveland's favorite color, but as you can see, black would probably show it better, or a darker color. I can click escape to go back. So that's all you're gonna do. Should take you less than just a couple of minutes. You will do that, and I will go in here periodically over the next few days and adjust anything I need to. Like right here, I'm probably gonna add some arrows and stuff to make it cutesy. But again, there are lots of empty slides. Feel free to choose the one, but try to choose the next empty one. That's a little bit less work for me to have to not go through and delete extra pages. So the next person will start at 3, then 4, and so on. Let me know if you have any questions or if you have trouble. I'm happy to help. If you cannot figure this out at all, you can always email me your information. I can help you insert it as well. Let me know if you have any questions at all. Today is Wednesday, April 29th. I would like to have this completed. Let's aim for Wednesday, May the 6th, because we'll see when we're going to do this class meeting. That way, if we do a class meeting on the day of field day, the 8th, we can have everything ready, or the 7th. We'll wait and see, and I will keep you guys updated. So please have this completed by May the 6th. Make sure that's right. Wednesday, May the 6th, and that way it gives me that night to finalize anything. Let me know if you have any questions. Thanks.